as a criminal defense attorney, there are ethical responsibilities that you have. And a lot of those are really just laid out in the law as part of our training as lawyers on our duties towards the court, towards evidence and the administration of justice in general, but also very importantly, our ethical duties as it relates to our client. And the law really recognizes that those privileges that relate to our attorney-client privilege are very sacred and they're very important to the criminal justice system. So duties of confidentiality, the ability for a client to be able to have confidence in the things, in the communications that they tell their attorney, no one can make that attorney speak about it. It's privileged information, and that client can have confidence that what they tell their attorney is going to be kept between the two of them. And that allows the client and the attorney to prepare a defense in the best way possible. There's also ethical duties that an attorney has to the court. A duty of candor. An attorney is not supposed to mislead the court. An attorney is not supposed to lie to opposing counsel, to a jury. They're supposed to be honest in our dealings. A good criminal defense attorney is always supposed to be aware and should be aware that their reputation is on the line and that the way they conduct themselves as a professional is important, not just for their own reputation, but also for securing good results on behalf of their client. Attorneys are also supposed to have very professional interactions with each other, and this is something that at times, frankly, attorneys do a poor job at. And it's something that the state bar has really in recent years kind of made inroads at and really tried to work with attorneys to improve on. And just to remind attorneys, we're officers of the court. We are professionals that are all jointly engaged in the administration of justice. We might be on different sides of the aisle at different points of our careers. I was a prosecutor for 16 years, now I'm a defense attorney. But on both sides, you can be a professional, you can do your job, and you can work towards advancing justice.